Here in Ghana, teachers or facilitators who are responsible for teaching Fante and Twi and other Ghanaian languages are faced with a day-to-day question of, please, how do you say this in Fante? Or how do you say that in Twi or any other Ghanaian languages? Which means that some Ghanaians actually do not know some specific names of items in Fante or in Twi, or as well as other native Ghanaian languages. Here on Apodels Multimedia, since our channel is dedicated for bringing Fante lessons, we will focus on randomly selected words and their names in Fante. Possibly, we'll bring you their meanings also. Please stay with me. I'll be right back with you.
YouTube channel, and then it is Apodels Multimedia. Because I have a pen and show. Oh, I know that they're for YouTube. Oh, so
Randomly selected English word number 1. Covenant. Covenant. The Fante name for this English word is apam. Apam. Say maybe we should bring a sentence. Kofi ni ama aye apam. It means Kofi has a covenant agreement with Ama. Favor. Inyimyam. Inyimyam. Conscience. Tibwa. Tibwa. Maritime flag. Well, first of all, let's know what a maritime flag is. You know, when fishermen go to sea, or ship captains, they go to sea and there is a danger at sea, they have a sign that they show to nearby land areas to tell them, to signal them that they are really going into danger. And that flag that they hoist on top of the ship or the canoe or the boat is what we call the maritime flag. The maritime flag. Each of these flags has a symbol and a particular colors for a separate individual countries as to what they represent. So when you see them and you really understand, you can really decode what it actually means. So that is maritime flag. And the fancy name for the maritime flag is Abrada. Abrada. The next randomly selected word is bridle. Bridle. Now, bridle is that item that is placed in the mouth of a horse that allows the rider to hold at a grip and protect him from falling, or also controls the horse as to where the horse should go, whether to the left or to the right. That is what we call the bridle. Now, in Fante, we call this Adabraka. Adabraka. I know some of you are really smiling at this because there is a town here in Ghana called Adabraka. Of course, it's the name of a town here in Ghana called Adabraka. But remember, this name in Fante means the bridle, that item that is placed in the mouth of the horse that has a rope connected to it and allows the rider to hold firmly. That is the name, Adabraka. The next randomly selected word here is committee. Committee. The fancy name for this word is Ejinetuku. Ejinetuku. Now, this word is a very common word that is also. The fancy name for this word is Nchiso. Nchiso. This word, promise, to promise. Fante is anohuba. Anohuba. Ransom. Wirdam. Wirdam. So it's like the ransom sacrifice that Jesus Christ paid to deliver us. So the ransom, wirdam, that is it. To follow. Fancy we say to. And see, if we have to make a sentence out of this, we say follow him. And we say tsuno. Tsuno. Sacrifice. The fancy name for this word is aforbo. Aforbo. Thank you very much for coming to the channel once again. Please, if this is your first time of coming here at Adabraka's Multimedia, we would encourage that you subscribe to the channel because there is more educative content here on this channel. Fancy learning, private schools, educatively entertaining programs, and we are preparing to bring you other subject areas also here at Adabraka's Multimedia. Please subscribe to the channel and please remember to share the videos, and your thoughtful comments are also welcomed here at this channel. Until we meet again, this is Ochechenyi Apiamensa. See you once again. Bye-bye.